Jingpynkiewdor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka Deputy Commissioner jong ki East Khasi Hills District ka kong Isa Wanda lalu ha ka santrik ubnay yayong arhajar arpuway kalaptha ki officer jong katanat supply ban penlong da ka jing Tohkit ka babnya hadin bakalayo jing tip ha ka bayadey bat ka Jingpynkiewdor ya ka Masi da ka Khasi Jaintia Butchers Association. Habay keren bat ka Batisi TV ka kong lalu kalayatho ba ya ka kaipot jing Tohkit ladat Phah aru siya u Commissioner and Secretary u bapet ya katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ha ka arpu santrik unay leber arhajar arpuway kanang buunyo ban bishar sani Halor ka jinglab jongki officer katanat supply Halor ka Jingpynkiewdor ya ka Masi kabalakta apat ya ki pajba nong syongshnong jong ka jilla.
We have already received the report, and there are certain recommendations which have been given in that report, and the recommendations have been sent to the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. The concerned department to take up some of the recommendations which have been put therein is the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, and we have already forwarded this report to them on the 25th of March. Okay, the crux of the inquiry report findings was that there is no mechanism till date with regards to the price fixation of beef. Okay, so the association had said that there is shortage of supply and there is high price fluctuation of cattle coming from Assam, which is a matter of concern which they have also raised. They have also cited transportation charges, labor charges from their end, and also the fact that there is no uniform method when it comes to beef on fixing of price, right? So what we say, fixing price based on weight, that is not being uniformly followed for all cattle, for all beef which is being sold in the market. And because of that, because of this ad hoc nature of fixation, it gives rise to, to a lot of let's say liberty for this association, other groups as well, to fix at their own will. So in the absence of such a price fixation committee, there is bound to be such issues. So what we have recommended to the department is that if they can form a price fixation or price monitoring committee which consists of members as deemed fit by the department to ensure uniformity, firstly in the trading of cattle which are supplied from other states as well as cattle supplied from within the state. And we have also requested the department in coordination with the Khasi Jaintia Butchers Association to fix a uniform retail price. So not just wholesale but also uniform retail price for all beef products which are sold in the retail market, and to display a price board for the convenience of the consumers. Right? So this is the long-term plan, and we have already forwarded it, like I said, so we are awaiting reply.